Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about how to write a Python program to count the number 4 in a given list. So given a list of numbers, so you have to count the 4, that is the item in a given list, that is how many times the 4 has occurred in a given list. So let's take a sample list here. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4. So this is a sample list I have taken, and if I try to count the number of occurrences of 4, so visually I can see that 4 occurs 3 times over here. This is the first time, second time, and this is the third time. So count equals to 3. So this you have to print out finally. So that is a 3 times it occurs. So let's try to do this using programming. So let's take a length variable and ask a user to enter the list length. Let's use input function call and say that enter list length. So once you get the list length, so you have to convert this into integer type conversion. So let's do that. So convert these to int, and once you get the list length, so you have to take a empty list and fill it with the items. So let's take my list equals to empty, and now let's use for loop to traverse up to the list length. For underscore in range of length, I'm using underscore because I don't need the index. So let's take a temp variable and ask a user to enter or input the list item. Enter list item. Yeah, so once you get the list item, so you have to convert this to int because it's a list is of type int. It contains the list integers. So once you get the temp item, so you have to append it to my list, that is my list dot append. So the item is temp variable. Yeah, so this is the code to get the list from a user. So once you get the list from a user, let's take another variable, that is a counter. Let's say 4 count. Yeah, this is a 4 count, a variable. So this will actually store the number of occurrences of 4. So there is an inbuilt function in a list. So let me show you that my list dot count. Yeah, so this is a function. So you can see it takes self as well as the value, that is a key. So that counts the occurrences of an item in a list. So here I have given count 4 to count the number of occurrences of 4. So this will be stored here. Yeah, so once you get the occurrences of 4, so let's try to print, that is number 4 occurs comma 4 count times dot. Yeah, so this is a complete program to count the number of 4 in a given list. So let me run this program and show you how it works. Enter the list length. I have 10 items in a list. So let's give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4. You can see that number 4 occurs 4 times. You can see this is the this is the first time, this is the second time, this is the third time, and this is the fourth time. So let me rerun it again. let's give 5. Let's say 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. So you can see number 4 occurs 0 times. So because there is no 4 in the list, let me rerun it again. So now let's say I have list length is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see number 4 occurs 1 time. Yeah, so this is a program to count number of 4s in a given list. So that's it in this video. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.